Want to save an Instagram Reel draft to your phone without posting it? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to save your draft reel directly to your camera roll in just a few simple steps. So, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap on profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Now, tap the plus button to create a new post. Then select Reel. Now, tap on Drafts button. Now, choose the reel you want to save. Once your draft opens, tap the Edit button to continue editing. You'll see the reel timeline. Look along the bottom options and tap Save. Instagram will process the video, and once it says saved, your reel has been saved to your phone. Now, go back to Homepage and open your gallery, and you should find the saved reel there. Keep in mind, some Instagram features, such as certain music or licensed audio, may not be included when saving the reel. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical Instagram tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.